Hello everyone, I am Bhumika Bohra. So today I am going to speak about money is more important than time. So as we all know, time can buy us happiness as we all have heard and money can't buy it. But money can buy us other people's services and their time at the same time. We can get our basic necessities of life through money. At the end of the day, a practical person thinks that money is the most important thing in their life. So I believe that money is more important than time. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am the student of Future 40 and I am speaking in the favor that time is more important than money. Money is often said to be pans dirt, means it can be constant or it can leave. But time, if gone, will never come back. So that's why time has more value within it.
Greetings everyone. I'm favored by time. Time is the most valuable thing in our human life. It has beginning, no beginning, and no end. Time is the most precious in every treasure, like money and any other things. Save your time. Equal is your saving money. Thank you.
Time is only thing that you can never 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 get back.
Hello everyone. Myself Anushka. I am going to speak that the time is more important than money. I will explain you it with a very small story. Once a person asked to God that which is the biggest mistake in human life. God says that the biggest mistake is that you think that you have time. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't keep it. You can spend it. Once time is gone, it never comes back. And times wait for no one. One who utilize it becomes a successful person, and one who do not utilize it, if he have a lot of money, he will at the end he will become very poor.
Good morning, everyone. This is Ananya, a student of Future 40. We have the topic time versus money. So I'm in favor of money. Money, see, like money can buy like she said that time is priceless and time who utilize it becomes successful. But with money, we can buy someone's time, like a lawyer.
Time is most important.
Greetings everyone, myself Vishal Seni. Today I am telling about money versus time. Time is most valuable in human life because time is not to come back in, but money is come back with in our life. So money is provided for luxurious life, but time is most valuable in our life. We are work for our skills and our developed skills and skills base. We are get a job and I earn money.
Time is most important in our life. Without time, we can't do anything. And students must know about value of time. And ancient time, students get education without money. So we should use the time properly.
In student life, time is very important. Every student must know about the value of time. If student utilize their time in a good way, then they will successful person in their life. If they utilize their time in a bad way, then they will not successful person in their life.
If you lost money, you learn earn again. If you lost time, it will not come again.